I did it. I tried it and I loved it. That's why I like experimenting. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Gabby, also known as Be Naturally Glam. If you are new, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so you don't miss out on any new videos from me. Today I am doing something different with these box braids. I'm gonna be honest, I'm getting ready to take them down in a few days, but I've been seeing pictures of unicorn styles and I was like, oh, that is so cute. Make me feel a little magical. You know, I love those hair paint waxes, so I actually wanted to try the unicorn colors on my hair. I don't really have a pink, but I have, let me see, which one is this? No. It's like a pinkish purple color. Well, it's called Rose. It's really pretty. It has a little glitter tint to it. I have purple. You can tell I've been using a purple up. Blue. This is the Bodacious Blue by Curls Unleashed. This is the one that I use often in my videos. And this is my new color by Har Paint Wax. It is aquamarine. So I'm not going to do my hair all over. I'm just going to do a few braids on the top kind of throughout. I'm telling you, you can do so much with these hair colors. That's why I love them. I'm just trying this out. If it's a fail, then I would definitely put that in the video. Trying to see here. It's gonna be a mixture, but I want it to blend in with the black braids. I'm just gonna go with the flow here. I have no idea how I'm gonna mix the colors. Guess we're gonna go with the rose first. And I don't want to go all the way up to my roots. I want to give that ombre look. Wipe this color off and go in with, I guess, my purple color we're gonna go in with next. Let's try this aquamarine. Ooh, so pretty. Oh, I'm feeling magical already. So I'm just alternating the colors. I am so in love with this aquamarine. Look at this color. Isn't that pretty? Ooh. So I guess I'm gonna go in with a, I don't know. I'm wondering now, do I need to stick with the same colors? Okay, just to make it look a little in sync, I think I'm going to keep the aquamarine on the bottom and just alternate the two colors on the top. I guess I'll do a, oh, I'm nervous because I really like this one. Okay, I'll just do a darker purple this time. I have a little OCD, so I gotta make sure it's evenly distributed. And the aquamarine. Y'all can't tell me this isn't pretty. I'm glad I'm trying this out. I'm telling you, no need to fool with those different colors with the braiding hair. Look, just do it yourself, just to save some money. It's actually laying my hair down as well. Like I have a little frizzy, so it's just smoothing it right along. Oh, I'm mixing the colors in my container. That's what I was trying to avoid. Because I don't know if you know, but if you mix these colors together, you will get a different color. So I'm trying to clean my hands up. I have to do this one in the front. I'll just have two close together. All right, to the other side. Wait, what did I forgot that fast. Blue. I'm like, did I put any blue on here? I'm gonna add some blue. I really feel like I just put the blue, the darker blue on one braid and forgot the rest. Alrighty, I'm gonna clean myself up. I am done. This style is so fun and easy to do. All you need is your different color hair paint waxes. It's not harsh on your hair, no chemicals, all natural, easy to wash out. My hair did get hard a little bit, but it's drying really fast, so I'm just gonna add some coconut oil just to make sure the color doesn't transfer to my clothing. The oil seals it in a lot. But I am in love with this unicorn look. I'm so glad I tried it out. I'm gonna come closer so you can see the colors. And give me a thumbs up if you really can see all my colors that I used. I'll just put it up like this. I love this. I don't care what you say. It's pretty. Thank you so much for stopping by. You know, as always, be safe. I will see y'all next time.